Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Ganan from English with Village Blog. Guys, of course I'm here to motivate you, guide you every day because I know if I don't push you, you can't go ahead. We need some kind of energy to learn this language. I know we sometimes it's happened that okay, we feel energetic and we are going to work for our dream, or it could be any your dream, you are going to work for that. But sometimes we feel lethargic and totally uh, like clubbered. It's like I don't have energy to go further. Why it happens? Because sometimes it's like we are getting something from our hard work. Sometimes we think, oh, I'm not getting anything, it has been long period of time, still I'm working, but in return what I get, I got, I nothing. So don't expect anything from your hard work. People who expect that okay, I'm getting this thing, I'm not getting this thing from my hard work, from my this, so it's like you are greedy, you are totally gold digger. You think that okay, uh, I must get something from my hard work, but we should not think about our like any benefit from our hard work. Your job is to do work for your dream. You are not allowed to get anything from that hard work. Of course you will get, keep patience, of course you will get sooner or later. If I talk about myself, so of course you must say that it's really very hard not to crack to learn any language being in village while doing any kind of farm related work. However, I didn't give up. I never thought okay, it has been 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, and I haven't learned so many things in grammar, I'm not able to speak. I never ever thought about this, that okay, I'm not able to speak. Why am I get stuck? Why do I get stuck while speaking? uh, I feel like unenergetic. I feel totally demotivated. Why? I should not learn English. I think it has been long time. I should stop learning English. But guys, no matter what's going on around, no matter whether uh, like weather is changing, no matter your friends are changing, no matter all the world is changing, but you should keep your eye on your dream, because you are the only one who can see your dream. So take care of your dream, take care of your life, take care of your health, because you are the shaver yourself. So you are the driver of your life. If you if you show any kind of negligence, of course you are going to fall in the ditch. So you have to keep your eye on the front. So guys, why do I say so many things? Because I know it was totally hard not to crack for me, but since I started doing for my dream and I never so behind me, I said okay, no matter whether I'm crying, no matter what's going on with me, sometime I was humiliated, sometime I was pushed, sometime it was really pathetic time. But gradually I thought, no, I have to work. Today I didn't work for my dream, tomorrow of course I will do. If I'm not getting chance 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, of course I'm going to start again I'm going to grab lots of energy, and again I'm going to work for my dream. This is your dream, you have to work, no matter whether you feel ill, no matter whether you feel sick, but you have to work, you have to get up, and again you have to walk towards your dream, no matter what's going on. If you feel unenergetic seeing other people how they are doing, of course they are also crying. You are not the only one who is crying for your dream, who is crying for your hard work. They are all people are crying, but they are able to do. Some of them they reach that top of the level, some of them get those uh, those level of their hard work. Some of the people get their dream. but not everyone. Why everyone didn't get? Because all the people, they get tired, they feel unenergetic, they feel that okay, now I am going throw in the towel. So we should not think, no matter whether you are crying, hungry, what, okay, sometime if you feel unenergetic, take take a like pause. Of course I'm not saying that okay, work on it consistently. No, you can wait, you can take a rest. Even I have taken lots of uh, arrest, because during my English journey, I gave up lots of time that okay, it's like useless, it's not for me, and how can I learn, because without any environment, without any teacher. So it was kind of mindset in my mind. But I thought okay, let it be. If I'm not getting anything, okay, it's okay, but it's my dream. Of course sooner or later I'm going to learn so many things, no matter whether I'm going to achieve my that level of English or not, but I have to work, so that I cannot regret in my life that okay, you didn't work, that is why you are here. Other people, they have worked, that is why they are able to speak. So I thought okay, I have to work. If I'm not getting that level, it's okay, but I can satisfy myself that I have worked on this. So that is why I started working. And now you can see I'm speaking English in front of you without hesitation, without any shyness, and you can see the confidence, and that too in front of camera, guys. Earlier I was too much shy. I was not able to speak. But of course, uh, once you start doing something, it becomes your habit. It becomes your life. So don't stop yourself not to do something good for you. Don't let you go ahead, because whatever you think, whatever your heart says is real. Because you can see lots of people around you, they always pull your leg. Why? Because they don't want you to get success, because they are not success. If you are going to get success in front of those lazy procrastinator people, of course they think oh my god, we couldn't do, but he is going to do. Let him do something with him, so that he can't do anything. So guys, though they are your friend, though they are your family member, relatives, friend, neighbors, villager, anyone, but they don't want you to go ahead. So you have to hide your dream. You have to uh, work like you have to work for your dream without telling anyone. Because if you tell anyone, of course they are going to give a bunch of advice, and those advice are totally negative for you. They are not going to push you. Okay, they are not going to say okay, you should work on this. Instead of this, they are going to pull your leg. it, so guys, I'm totally here. So what, okay, so whatever people are saying, let them say. Just become deaf for them, that I'm not going to listen to you. Okay, I'm unable to listen to anyone. I just listen to my heart, my mind, and just like that. So guys, I'm here to tell you that just do what your mind says and heart says, and whatever you have dreamed, whether it is small or big, just start working. Of course today you are not going, today you are feeling I'm not able to do that, I am not for this. Of course sooner or later you will realize that yes, uh, uh, after doing hard work, I'm going to achieve this. So that happiness you have to achieve. Once you get something else from your hard work, it is like heaven for you. So please don't stop yourself to do anything. Just do. Of course if you can, if I can do, of course you can also do, and all the people can do who believe in them. So thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'm always here to push you, guide you, and tell you all the reality of this world. Thank you so much guys. Bye.